Hello guys, still your boy Sensible. So this video I'm coming to teach you how you can fund your trust wallet for the Theta business. Okay, so now we need $5. So let's say $6. You need $1 BNB and $5 worth of USDT. Okay, $5 worth of USDT. But when you go to Binance and you want to send $5, they will tell you the minimum you can send is $10. But I got a strategy for you that you can send less than $5. Okay, so open your Trust Wallet account, click on receive. When you click on receive, it will show you the network. Just choose BNB Smart Chain network. Click on it. You click here to copy the address. Okay, you click here to copy the address. After you copy the address, head to your Binance. Okay, go to your Binance. As it opens, click on wallet. Okay, add it down here. Click on wallet. When you click on wallet, go to the spot. So when you come to the spot, you see I'm having the money in USDT. If I want to send it, they will say I need $10. But what do? I'm going to swap it to BNB. Okay, so you just click on trade here. When you click on trade, you see converts here. You click on it, and I'm converting my USDT to BNB. Okay, so the USDT will be at the top where the BNB is at the down. Okay, so I just click on it, then you look for BNB. Okay, then you type the amount here. Type the amount 5. So just click on trade, you swap. Okay, it has been completed. So now I'm going to send it. So you can see the money is not in BNB. So I just click on the BNB. I click on withdraw. I choose was send via crypto network, as you can see over here. Send via crypto network. So the address I've copied in the Trust Wallet, I'll just paste it here. And I choose the network, PEP20 here. Then I'll just type the amount I want to send, which I'll just click on max. And I'll just withdraw. You click on confirm. So I'm done withdrawing my BNB to the Trust Wallet. So let's wait for it to complete. So I think it has reflected. So now let me go back to my Trust Wallet. So you can see it has been added. Now I'm having $9. Okay, if you are send $6. Okay, send $6. Okay, so now I need to swap from BNB to USDT. Okay, so now I'll click on swap. I'm only swapping $5, so I'll click on swap. When it comes like this, it changes from Solana. You click here, choose BNB, which is here. You click on it. Okay, and then this one you are converting it to, you swap it to. You click on it, choose BNB. Choose BNB, which is here. You choose it. So now this is the BNB here. Okay, the money is here, so I need to swap it to USDT. So I'll change the down one to USDT. Okay, the down one to USDT. So here is USDT. I just click on it and I type the amount I want to swap. So when you type the amount and it is equivalent to $5, you swap. Okay, you click on continue. You click on continue here. So you click here, the downward, to confirm. So as you can see, I have successfully done that. Okay, so now the 5 USDT is here and my BNB some that has remained. Okay, for transaction fees. So that's how to get your USDT. Thank you for watching. Okay.